Hello guys, today we are going to see the LeetCode question 542, that is 0 1 matrix. Given m cross n binary matrix, return the distance of the nearest 0 for each cell. So here is 1 is present, so 0 as it is already 0, so we do not need to make any change. So 0 0 0 for 0 1 0 it will be 0 1 0, and for 0 0 0 it will be 0 0 and 0. And let us see another example. Here is the next code of the next example in which the 0 0 0 is present and 0 1 0 is present. First one, for all the 0 0 0 will be present. For the second 0 1 0, for which the second row, for this the answer will be 0 1 0, and for this the nearest is 1. For this also nearest is 1. For this the nearest is 2. So here this would be 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 1 2 1. Here is the code of the question in which a vector int n is taken as the matrix size, m is taken as the first row indicating the number of columns, and the vector int is used to store one as the visited, another is the distance array in which we have to return it finally, and we have taken a cube pair int which would store first the I comma j that is not visited, and that is and the other will store the number of steps, and we have to iterate and have to check if matrix size I comma j is 0. That means we have to store that indexes along with the step number that is initially taken as 0, and we have to make that as visited ij is equal to 1. That means that node is already visited. Otherwise we have to make the visited I comma j is 0 by default, and if it is not visited, then we have to initialize two vectors, that is one direction for the row and the direction is the column, as we have to check all the 4 directions for each of the node present over there. Until the queue did not becomes empty, we have to find the queue front first and the column as the queue front first second, and that is I comma j, and we have to find the number of steps as the queue front second, and we have to pop it, and the distance row column would become is equal to the number of steps, and you have to check in all the 4 directions along with the boundary condition, and you have to check whether the visited x comma y should not be visited already, that means it should be 0 before. Then we have to make it as 1 and the push all the indexes as well as increment the steps by 1, and finally return the distance. Thank you.